Hello, folks. So, I've began fixing the Mercedes behind me, and well, it's going slow, but not as slow as I thought. Panel beating is not really what I do best, but I've been looking a lot at Trev's blog on YouTube. Check him out; he's great and a real friendly guy too. You can make pretty much anything with just a hammer and a lot of, well, pieces of metal just to make things shaped the way you want. So being the modern man I am, of course I'm using the CAD, cardboard assisted design. Some of those, and that. And so far, this is what I took off. And this is about 25-30 minutes of, no, not even that, 20 minutes of beating metal. It's a little better. Still needs to get curved a bit, so I have to stretch this edge and shrink this edge. And it's 2 steel, so millimeters, so it's kind of sturdy. But you know, it's getting there. So, well, back to beating the metal, I guess. So, by this crude method, managed to make the curve of it right. It's pretty similar. Just putting that in there, in the vise, and beating it with a bigger hammer. So supposedly, if you hit this end hard enough, might have to make those a little sharper, like pinch them in really. But if you hit that top hard enough, it'll shrink in on itself. So I'm going to try that now. Okay, yeah, so that went a lot easier than I thought. It's got the slight bend I need. To stretch this part, you just beat it. Just go at it hard. Focus, you fuck. On this side, you can see how it's a bit wrinkly, like wiggly. Let's see. There we go. It's all wiggly like. Yeah, there we go. That's the shrinking. So the metal is not straight, it just goes wiggly. But it's sort of straight. It'll go flush. Well, it's 11 in the evening, so I'm gonna call it a day for now. I'll catch you later sometime. Get stuff done. Try stuff. I've never done this before. It's fun. Will it be a bother to getting it on? Probably, but I'm doing my best, and so should you. Take care now. Bye-bye then.